Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Jamaican-style scrambled eggs step by step. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You will need 3 large eggs, 1 small onion, 1/4 of a bell pepper, and 1 small tomato. Don't forget your seasonings: a small piece of Scotch bonnet pepper, fresh thyme, and a pinch of black pepper. Also, have 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, a non-stick pan, and a spatula ready to go. Now let's prepare our vibrant vegetables. Carefully dice 1 small onion, 1/4 of a colorful bell pepper, and 1 small ripe tomato. For that authentic Jamaican kick, mince 1 clove of garlic and a small piece of Scotch bonnet pepper, adjusting to your spice preference. Heat 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in your non-stick pan over medium heat, then add the diced vegetables and minced aromatics. Sauté them gently until they become tender and fragrant, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, it's time for the star of our dish, the eggs. In a separate bowl, whisk 3 large eggs until the yolks and whites are well combined. Add a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper for seasoning. Pour the whisked eggs directly into the pan with your sautéed vegetables. Allow the eggs to set slightly for about 30 seconds, then gently stir and fold them with your spatula. Continue cooking for 1 to 2 minutes until they are just set, creamy, and beautifully fluffy. And there you have it, your delicious Jamaican-style scrambled eggs are ready. For a final touch, garnish your perfectly cooked eggs with a few fresh thyme leaves. This adds a wonderful aroma and a pop of color. Serve these flavorful and vibrant scrambled eggs immediately, perhaps alongside some toasted bread, fried plantains, or callaloo for a complete Jamaican breakfast experience. Enjoy every single bite of this delightful and easy-to-make dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.